Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Pilot mirror. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Ensure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Honda Pilot model. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel trim piece, typically located near the mirror, using your trim removal tool. This reveals the mirror's mounting bolts. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Finally, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it free. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully connect the new mirror's electrical harness to the vehicle's wiring, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, align the new mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Once aligned, insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts using your Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure they are snug, but do not over-tighten them. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim piece, ensuring all clips snap back into place securely. Next, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your Honda Pilot. Finally, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test all functions of the new mirror, including power adjustments, turn signal indicators, and any heating elements, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.